Hi folks, today we're going to make some lobster tail, and I'll have them grilled on the flat tops, accompanied with asparagus and potatoes. Right now I'm just chopping some onions and garlic, so stay tuned. And this is the marinade for the lobster tail. I have about 2.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I have a mix of 4 spices, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Cajun mix. I'm adding some fresh onions and a little bit of fresh garlics as well. About a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix that all up. Okay, set that aside. Okay, now it's time to cut our lobster tail. So it's pretty easy. What you do, you insert a scissor inside the meat and cut all the way through with the shell. So you want to try to grab the meat so you can remove the shell. Some people like to leave it. Actually, remove the meat and put it back in the shell for decoration. That's how usually they serve it in the restaurant. But in this case, I have to cook them on the flat top, so I can't do that. See, it'll come out on its own. You don't need to put a lot of effort. Still need to watch your fingers though. There you go. I believe I'm doing the second one, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I wasn't sure if you caught it on the first one. See, easy again, just cut the shell. Split it in half. Try to grab it in between the skin and the shell. There we go. Okay. Put it in the marinade, just not that long. I just dip in, as long as it absorbs a little bit. Then cook them on your flat grill. You want to put them in about a minute on each side. You don't want to overcook those because we don't forget we're going to cook them when we make the pasta. So they won't be done after we remove them from the flat grill. And I need to make a correction. Actually, I'm making it with potatoes and asparagus. On the next dish, it will be with pasta. I apologize for that. Okay, watch what I do here. Pretty soon, I'm going to cut them in the middle so they kind of open up, and I make sure they cook well like that. See the way, right in the middle, like a butterfly. So that way you make sure it cooks. I dip them again so I get some more flavors. Same thing, right in the middle. Sharp knife preferably. See how it opens up. That way both sides is cooked. I have my potatoes here in the salted water and my asparagus. I just blanched them for a couple minutes. Salted water as well. potato has been cooked, drained. Couple lobster tail, and you're done. There it is.